Let's do a problem that involves some common conversions. 1 inch is equal to 25.4 millimeters. 1 foot is equal to 304.8 millimeters. And 1 meter is equal to 1,000 millimeters. If my driveway is 14 feet, 3 3/4 inches long, and the sidewalk at the end of it is 4 feet, 2.5 inches wide, how far will it be from my garage door all the way to the street? I have to add the length of the driveway to the width of the sidewalk. If I want, I can convert these feet and inch measurements into millimeters first. Or I can add them together first and then do the conversion. And that's what I will do. 14 feet plus 4 feet is 18 feet. 3 3/4 inches plus 2.5 inches is 6 1/4 inches. Now I just have to do the conversion once. 18 feet times 304.8 millimeters is equal to 5,486.4. Six 1/4 inches times 25.4 millimeters is equal to 158.75 millimeters. I will add these together and I get 5,645.15 millimeters. Now I have to do another conversion. Since 1 meter is equal to 1,000 millimeters, I have to divide this number by 1,000 to get my answer in meters. My answer is that from my garage door all the way to the street is 5.64515 meters.